Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk you through how to become an Uber driver. Some of the steps might only apply to my country, but internationally I think the process is quite similar. So we're just going to go and have a look and open up the web page. So on Uber, you're just gonna go here and these are the steps. So of course, first of all, you enter in your email address. Then you're gonna complete a safety screening, and for this you need to register. At an evaluation center. Let's have a look at the screening driving evaluation test. So you just need to book these through. Yeah, in my country it costs $300. This process also might take a few days. It depends when the guys are available. They're not always available to do your evaluation. So yeah, this might take some time as well. You're gonna need to upload your documents. As you can see, these documents only apply to my country, but the whichever country you're in, it shouldn't be the number of documents should be quite similar. The the type of documents as well should be quite similar. And I also had a look, and it takes about 2 to 10 days for your documents to come through. So it's a bit of a wait when you send those through. Then next, you're going to need to get a vehicle that fits the correct requirements. I can just show you guys a bit of the vehicle requirements. So obviously for all the different types of Uber driving you'd like to do, there's different vehicles that you can choose from. These are very important. Cover, business use, name of insurer. These need to be sorted out. And yeah, it's quite a long list of the vehicles needed. This is for Uber Comfort. So there's lots of cars that you can actually choose from. It's that Uber X. Uber X is not too many vehicles. XL, even less. Uber Black, these are like the luxury vehicles. Uber X, and these are the vehicles that you can only choose from. Okay, it's quite a bit more for. Okay, it's quite a bit of vehicles. In Uber Black, there's actually quite a bit of vehicles you can choose from. Uber Van is just these. Uber Go, I think there's quite a bit for Uber Go. Not that much, but operating discs, 1 to 3 days. That was the first one. So yeah, guys, that's the process. It's, as you can see, it's not exactly straightforward, but this is something you're interested in. You just gotta follow these diligently. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more.